You have reached your destination.
Yup.
At his new drivetrain.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, it's Christmas, Dick. This thing is freaking beautiful. All right, today is Thursday, April 8th, 2021. I haven't touched my car in 3 or 4 months. Work, winter. I always kind of transition to other hobbies in the winter anytime. Anyway, so I'm getting back into it. Today's going to be a make or break day for me. I'm going to see if it starts. If it does, then I'm going to start hanging fenders, and doing the finishing touches prior to doing the rest of the wiring for the back and the lights and everything else. But that would be impetus to putting my interior back in, the windshield on, and the whole 9 yards. So got a lot of stuff on the back end to do, tighten up some bolts. I've got my my exhaust that's on but not tightened down. I gotta say, I'm a little bit nervous. I've got this gas can that I got off of Amazon. This is an auxiliary fuel tank for a motorcycle, of all things. Hooked in, spliced into my fuel system. I didn't want to add any gas to my gas tank until I knew that the engine was running or not, running on its own gasoline or not. I know it cranks. And I wanted to fabricate and put on a tow hitch on the back. And I didn't want to be welding anything, potentially welding anything with a full gas tank. So that, I just don't want to put into gas until I know I'm going to start running this dang thing. So, without further ado, and before anybody freaks out that there's a bare wire, this is input to my my instrument cluster for signals. I haven't finished that stuff up yet. So, stand by. Okay, so my ignition is on, and I'm going to pull the starter cable from, let's see, where is it? It's right there. Kind of off camera, but let's see how it goes. A little bit nervous. Yes! Yes! Fuck yeah! Oh, yeah! Alright, where's my pull? Where's my start? I forget where the start is. There it is. Let's try it this way. there's a guy across the street doing his lawn. But I've got some smoke coming off of my my engine. I know that's oil and all the stuff that coats an engine after it's brand new. I'm not worried about that. I don't appear to have any leaking gas on any of my fittings. And so it died earlier because I had the fuel flow off in that position. So, dear God, I have a renewed impetus to get this thing started up again and going, and holy cow, am I happy. Oh. So, here's why I'm happy. That's why I'm happy. There is a distinct lack of a Fiat that I've been wrestling with for quite some time. I sold it to a lucky gentleman, and hey John, and I was worried that I'd have issues with this thing. I have not had issues with this thing starting, and God, I think I'm gonna go have a vodka tonic, and I'm really, really happy.